Level up your brainstorming and ideation sessions on the vFairs platform with Miro board. Miro is a virtual whiteboard that lets teams ideate, research, strategize, and collaborate in real time. Choose from multiple templates and frameworks. Add mapping templates like flowcharts, fishbone diagrams, concept maps, and make your meetings more productive. Curate activities such as workshops through a timed menu bar. Embed it as a webinar tab to make it part of a live session, or use the agile workflows for running scrub meetings or company-wide town halls. How will you use the Miro board integration? Learn more at www.vfairs.com/integrations.